Welcome to another Java tutorial. This time we're looking at figure 4.15. So Java, as well as other languages such as C++, and it's kind of ironic that they've got C++ in here, have increment operators. So this is common to both languages. And most of the times, it doesn't matter whether you use post increment or pre-increment. But when you use it in a parameter passing situation, it makes a big difference. Okay, so post increment means that it will increment C and store it back in after it's passed the parameter to the routine. In the pre-increment case, it will increment C and store it before passing it as a parameter. And let's set a breakpoint. And we'll debug it. And we'll step through the code. If you want the shortcut, it's F6 rather than using the mouse menu system. So we initialize C to 5, no problem there. And we print line, and we get a 5 in our output. No problem. So we're doing a post increment. That means it'll pass C into the routine before incrementing it. F6. So we see 5 here, which is what we expected. And upon returning from this routine, C is now 6. So now if we do another print line, we should get a 6. And that works. So let's print a blank line and start all over again and use pre-increment. We see 5 here, and we're going to print 5 out. Now, we see 5 here. We're going to pre-increment it, so it'll be 6, and then it'll print it out. So we see 6, and it's 6. And we'll print out another version of C, and we get 566. And looking at the previous block of code, we get 556. So pre-increment and post-increment make a big difference when you're using parameter passing. Be careful and check your code to make sure that it's doing what you want when you're using this code. Of course, it's always safer to decide whether you want to put C++ here, and then just do this, and take this one out, and put C++ after the line. That makes it very clear for all readers. However, a lot of programmers like to put it inside to make their code look a little bit shorter. However, doing it this way is very explicit and makes it very clear to all readers. And that completes this lesson.